Dear viewers, today we will discuss determination of rent through demand and supply. The determination of rent through demand and supply is a fundamental concept in economics. Rent is the payment made for the use of a scarce resource such as land, buildings, or capital goods, and it is determined by the interplay between the demand for the resource and its supply. When the demand for a resource increases, the price or rent for its use will tend to increase as more people are willing to pay more to use the resource. Conversely, when the demand for a resource decreases, the price or rent will tend to decrease as fewer people are willing to pay as much for its use. Similarly, when the supply of a resource increases, the price or rent will tend to decrease as there is more of the resource available and less competition among those seeking to use it. Conversely, when the supply of a resource decreases, the price or rent will tend to increase as there is less of the resource available and more competition among those seeking to use it.